So we've been having some trouble losing some chickens to some predators out in the back. So I put up this fence to extend this out a little bit, and we're going to see now. We're going to go cut them loose, see how many of them can actually still get over the fence. Hopefully none of them. All right, ladies. Y'all ready to go run the yard and see who's going to get over the fence and who's not? Let's see who makes it. Oh, we got some contestants. Come on, Alice. Give it a shot. Oh, she appears deterred. Somebody might have found a hole in my theory here. No, 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 nope. And damn, you. Let's see if Noodle figures it out. Noodle don't want none. Well, let's see what Smoke's gonna do. Nothing. Guess I'll just have to monitor during the day. Oh, oh, no, no. Ha. Oh, nope. Couldn't do it. Yeah, so far it seems to be working, but it's starting to rain out here, so I'm gonna go inside and just have to keep up with it during the day. Make sure they all stay in the backyard.